small pebble. Backpack! Ta-da! Welcome to school. The backpack carries all your books, snacks, and school things on your back. Can you say backpack? Backpack. Pencil. The pencil draws soft gray lines and writes letters and numbers. Can you say pencil? Pencil. Crayon. Color bright and bold pictures with a crayon. Can you say crayon? Parents, subscribe for more calm learning videos. Crayon. Scissors. Snip, snip. The scissors cut paper into fun new shapes. Can you say scissors? Scissors. Book. Open up a book and discover colorful pictures and stories. Can you say book? Book. Glue stick. The glue stick sticks paper together nice and neat. Can you say glue stick? Glue stick. Ruler. The ruler draws straight lines and measures how long things are. Can you say ruler? Ruler. Eraser. Like magic, the eraser wipes pencil marks clean away. Can you say eraser? Eraser. Lunchbox. The lunchbox keeps yummy snacks safe until lunchtime. Can you say lunchbox? Lunchbox. Notebook. Fill a notebook with drawings, letters, and stories. Can you say notebook? Notebook. Marker. The marker draws bold, bright lines on paper. Can you say marker? Marker. Paintbrush. Swish, swish. The paintbrush spreads colorful paint across the page. Can you say paintbrush? Paintbrush. Chalkboard. Draw letters and pictures in bright, chalky colors. Can you say chalkboard? Chalkboard. Globe. Spin the globe around to see the whole wide world. Can you say globe? Globe. Stapler. Chump. The stapler clips papers neatly together. Can you say stapler? Stapler. Wow, what an amazing adventure we had today! We met so many wonderful school things, from the backpack to the pencil to the crayon. Every single school thing is so wonderfully helpful. Which school thing was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Goodbye, little explorer. See you in the next adventure. For more fun learning videos, visit our channel, World of Small Pebbles.